Hello and welcome to Rising Cousins, and I am Nabiha, and today we're going to discuss about MCQs of Lecture 1. And you can find these MCQs in this website, that is www.risingcousins.com. Not only MCQs, you can find notes and videos, stories and poems and much more. So Lecture 1. Microorganisms can be seen by its microscope. Most of the microorganisms can be seen with the help of microscope, but some microorganisms such as algae and fungi, let me write in blocks, fungi and algae can be seen with the help of magnifying glass. Okay, naked eyes is not the answer. Naked eyes is simply eyes without using anything, like without using without using microscopes, magnifying glass, just eyes. Next is, this is how microscope look like. This is telescope. Telescope is actually used to view objects present in space. Okay, so which organisms are the most abundant on a planet? Abundant means everywhere. Okay, so humans are not present everywhere on a planet, neither plants nor fishes. The answer is none of the above. Actually, the organisms which are present in the most abundant on a planet are microorganisms. Which organisms? Microorganisms. Okay, so microorganisms are everywhere, in water, in air, in deserts, in polar regions, right? Great. Next is, microorganisms are found inside the body of multicellular organisms. Human body is a multicellular organism. See, we have intestines. Okay, so we are multicellular and we have intestine in which a microorganism such as E. coli lives. Okay, so Streptococcus has a coccus, remember, a spherical shape. Okay, a spherical shape. So these all are the names of bacteria, types of bacteria. A comma shaped bacteria is called as Vibrios, a spherical shaped is called as coccus, a spiral shaped bacteria called as Spirilla, name suggests, and the rod shaped bacteria called as Bacillus. Okay. So this is the picture of coccus, a spherical shaped bacteria. Okay, so Euglena is an example of, it's not a virus, it's not a bacteria, it's not a multicellular organism. So none of the above. It is actually a protozoa. Really? Is it a protozoa or an algae? Because it's green, right? See how it looks. No, it is actually a protozoa. It is present in protozoan family. Okay, so it is a protozoa. It's not an algae, but it uses sunlight and photosynthesis for food. Okay, so there is some similarity in Euglena and other algae. Okay, Chlamydomonas is an example of, it's a unicellular algae which lives in colonies. The picture shows you everything. This is how it lives in colony. Okay, so it looks like nucleus. There are four nucleus present. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Chlamydomonas, and which lives in colonies, right? This is how it looks. Great. It is caused by a virus called as retrovirus. Okay, so this is a picture of retrovirus. It's a very easy picture to understand, so I use this picture instead of actual picture. Okay, so bacteriophages are an example. Sorry. Okay, bacteriophages are an example of a virus. Yes. Let me tell you, bacteriophage a virus that parasites a bacteria. Okay, so this is a body and it is a bacteria. Okay, this is a host on which an organism parasite. Okay, parasites. So this is a body of a bacteria, and this virus, bacteriophage, parasites a bacteria, lives in a bacteria. Okay, so bacteriophages, that's why. Okay, so this is a virus which parasites a bacteria. So this is how it looks, and you might have seen this picture in your NCERT textbook. This picture is present in your NCERT textbook and specifically written as a virus. Okay. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria, but bacteria is still considered the smallest organism on earth. Why? This is the right answer. Yes. So let me show you an example. Okay. This is a virus. Yes. So let me name it V as a virus. Okay. And it is it's not in the body of host. Okay. So it is not in the body of any organism. It's outside the body of any organism. Okay. Now it will show no sign of life. Okay, so we can call it a non-living. Okay. Now here he saw a body. This is a human body. Let me write it host or human. Okay. Now when this virus will enter the body of host or human, it will start to reproduce. Okay. Now it shows the sign of life. So what we can call it? A living. So isn't it at the borderline of living and non-living? Am I right? Exactly right. So that's why it is not considered as the smallest organism on earth. Okay, some microorganisms are parasitic and some are important to animals. Yes, some microorganisms such as Plasmodium vivax is very dangerous and parasitic, and some are important to animals. Yes, some are important to animals like Lactobacillus, which promotes the formation of cud. Remember this. Lactobacillus helps in the formation of cud. So yes, it's right. The statement is right. So extra questions for the curious ones. All fungi and algae are microscopic. Not all. Some are macroscopic. Macroscopic. Okay. So comma-shaped bacteria are called comma-shaped. I explained you this. It's a Vibrios. Correct. So this is how a Vibrios look. Okay, let me erase all the link. Now, this is how it looks. This is a comma-shaped bacteria. It is like this. Okay. Great. Now, what is the full form of TMV? Let me tell you. TMV is a disease of a plant. Okay, so it's a disease of plants where it is caused by microorganisms. So let's cut these two because these two are in the answers. Now you got it. Tobacco mosaic virus. This is a picture of effect of a tobacco mosaic virus on a plant. Okay, so this is the effect of tobacco mosaic virus on a plant, on a leaf of plant. Okay, great. 1 gram of soil would have approximately 1 gram of soil typically contains about 40 million bacterial cells. Okay, what does a cover slip in a microscope do? It looks cool. Yes, it looks cool, but other than looking cool, it has a function to perform, which is it holds a small sample of specimen. Okay, let me show you. This is really very understandable picture. Now this is a slide. Okay, this is a lens of sorry, like this. This is a lens of a microscope. Now this is a slide on which you keep your specimen. This is suppose this red color. Okay, let me erase what I don't want. Okay, now this is the green color thing is a specimen. Okay, so this is a specimen, and now this specimen is here. Okay, now we will put a drop of water on this specimen, okay, to make it clear. Now we will put a cover slip on it. Why? To hold it properly, to hold it in a fixed position, okay, so that you can view this specimen properly. Okay, so this is how it is. So this was MCQs of lecture 1, and please do subscribe the channel, hit the like button, smash the bell icon, and thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned with the studies. Hello and welcome to Rising Cousins, and I am Nabiha, and today we're gonna discuss about MCQs of lecture 2, which you can find on this website, that is www.risingcousins.com. Not only MCQs, you can find notes, lecture videos, poem stories, and much more. So lecture 2. So protein found in milk. Oh, I got it. Calcium is present in milk, and we know this since we were like in first grade, right? So I'm sorry, but please read the question properly. It says protein found in milk. Okay, it says protein, so the answer is casein. Casein is a protein found in milk. Okay, so this bacteria helps in the formation of cotton. I told you this in the first video of MCQs. So it is lactobacillus. Okay, the process by which sugar is converted into alcohol by the action of microorganisms. Oh, I taught you this with the help of an activity in which you add this and that, and ta-da! Something happened which is called as fermentation. Okay, so this is how fermentation is. This is what fermentation is. Okay, so take the correct sentence, or sentence says microorganisms are used for processing tobacco. It is not used for processing tobacco. It is not used to make metals. It is not used to process coffee. It is used to make food supplements. Okay, so true or false? State whether true or false, and if false, make it true. Okay. E. coli lives in human beings' intestine and helps in destroying disease-causing pathogens. True. Spirulina lives nice name. Spirulina lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants and helps in nitrogen fixation. False. It is rhizobium. Okay, the human beings are not able to make vaccines with the help of microorganisms, but the work is in progress. No, human beings are of course able to make vaccine with the help of microorganisms. What are they doing? What are scientists doing now? They are working on these vaccines which are used. Vaccines for COVID-19 are being prepared now with the help of microorganisms. So this statement is of course false. So let's correct it by cutting some words, crossing some words. Now we have the right statement. Human beings are able to make vaccines with the help of microorganisms. Great. Now, bacteria are used in sewage treatment. Ew. Yes, it's true. Now let's see. Yes. This is the page where I'm going to explain you what is that rhizobium and what was that statement about. So leguminous plant is like pea plant. Okay. a pulse plant, pea plant. Okay. Now in the root nodules, in roots there are nodules. These are nodules in which a bacterium called as Rhizobium lives, which helps in fixing nitrogen. Okay, great. Take the microorganisms which were useful to humans. Useful like E. coli, which helps in destroying disease-causing pathogens, right? Plasmodium vivax and oval are very dangerous. Lactobacillus helps in the formation of curd. Yeast is used to make curd. Pasteurization was invented by Louis Pasteur 1500 years ago. Pasteurization is the process by which microorganisms are killed by extreme heat of 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it is an extreme heat. It's a boiling point of water, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so E. coli is used to make insulin supplements for diabetic people. True. This statement is also important. Like E. coli is used in destroying. E. coli helps in destroying disease-causing pathogens. E. coli is used to make insulin supplements for diabetic people. Right? Uses of E. coli. Viruses can be used to make curd. Of course not. Never. So this was an end of the video, and please do subscribe our channel, hit the like button, smash the bell icon, and thank you for watching the video, and I'll be back in the next video. Hello and welcome to Rising Cousins, and I am Nabiha, and today we are gonna discuss MCQs of lecture 3. So www.risingcousins.com is the website where you can find notes, MCQs, lectures, videos, poems, stories, and much more. Lecture 3. Disease-causing microbes are called pathogens. Yes. Okay. Dengue is spread by a dengue virus. Okay. It's a virus which spread dengue. Vaccination can help prevent diseases like polio. Polio is given in an early age. It's like polio drops, right? So there is a specific day in India which is a polio day, vaccine day, in which polio drops are given to all the kids. Okay, so a dashed mosquito spreads the disease malaria. Let me tell you, male mosquitoes does not bite. So we will cut the options, and we have 2 options left: female Anopheles mosquitoes and female Aedes mosquito. Female Aedes mosquito is a carrier of dengue, and this is the right answer. Yes, we are right. An amoeba can cause a disease known as amoebic dysentery. What can be a mode of transmission of the disease? Typhoid. Yes. Now, microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called as countable disease. No, countable disease is not the answer. It was just. It is nothing. It was just kept here because actually to confuse you. Okay, so this is not the answer, this is not the answer, none of the above. Actually, the answer is communicable disease. Okay, protozoans cause serious diseases like dysentery and malaria. Okay, now bonus questions. Symptoms for disease COVID-19 are shortness of breath and fever and dry cough. Symptoms of chickenpox are rashes. Okay, now symptoms of cholera. All of the above or symptoms of cholera, like diarrhea, vomiting, restlessness, right? So, okay. So this was the end of the video. Please do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, smash the bell icon, hit the like button, okay? And let me tell you, you can find the link in the description box of our website, that is www.risingcollege.com. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.